All right, guys, what's up? As you can see, MR2 is now taking the place of the Civic, but you know, had to make an upgrade. As you can see too, we also got some new garage lights. Look how bright it is in here compared to the last time. Now I can actually get to swapping. I got my lights, got my tools, got everything fitting in here good. I don't have to buy a lift, so that saves more money, because realistically, I was looking at spending to get into the lift. The lift was going to be like $2 grand, you know, plus fixing the garage door, so the garage door goes up to get over the cars. And I mean, I think, what would you guys rather have? Either like a built PPG trans for the MR2 or just a stock trans. So I figured, let's go ahead and get the built PPG trans and go ahead and get rid of the Civic. So, but as you can see, everything fits in here. It's the first time I'm showing the MR2. It's a little clean. I don't know. I mean, I guess, I don't know. You guys might can see the paint on here too good. I mean, it has been painted by the previous guy. So I will say though, this car is in 10 times better condition than the EP3. So I will say that that's at least one good thing. The paint's halfway decent. The car hasn't been like washed or waxed yet. I still got to do like, I'm basically going to do paint correction on the whole car, clean it up a little bit. But so far, but then too, everything fits. We got both bikes, the cars, great. But yeah, so here's the MR2, guys. I mean, it's project in the work. You know, still got good old RSX over here. But, I mean, it's pretty clean. Oh, and two, we do have, look what it came with. RPF 1s. Look at that. RPF 1s, RPF 1s, RPF 1s. Woo-wee. So, yeah. All right. So, I mean, we can take a walk around, look at the car, see how everything is. I mean, I guess it's the first time you guys are really seeing it, because I really haven't. It's the first time I'm really seeing it, because I've just really brought it like, how long ago? I don't even know how long ago. I brought it months ago. Parked it in storage. Just been chilling ever since. So, yeah. So I guess let's go ahead and get a walk around on this thing. Paint's pretty good. I do not have the T-top model. I did want the T-top model, but the sunroof model is lighter, so you go faster in the end, so that works. Other than that, though, pretty clean. I like it. Paint's good. Interior's okay. I'll say that. Not the best, not the worst. A little rip in the seat, but I mean, for, you know, basically $1,000, what do you expect? Not bad. The dash is cracked. Got a little cut right there, and it's a little cut up on the top. But I mean, other than that, I mean, it's pretty much pretty stock in here. Not bad. Didn't come with the shifter boot, but whatever. Came with the short shifter though, even though I won't be using this short shifter. The car drives really nice, actually. So I don't know. After getting the car and like driving it, I've been driving it for the past couple days. I honestly, like, I don't even want to swap it. It's so 90s. Like everything's, I mean, like, this seat's pretty clean, no problems. The interior, I did take the carpet out. I just still do have the carpet. It's just there was a leak. I think either the windshield or the sunroof, something's leaking. So I did remove the carpet just temporarily till I find the leak, and then I'm probably gonna put the carpet back in. But other than that though, nice little cheapo Pioneer radio. AC heat, AC does still work. No power steering, but it does work. But I mean, other than that though, I mean, as you guys can see, nothing too fancy. Sunroof. It's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the goodies. Ugh. And we got back here, and back here, and under the hood. Let's see. Can I get this? Yeah, I can. One-handed. All right. Nothing much. Got a little dirt in the bottom. Red top battery, brand new, came with the car. I mean, realistically, for the price of this car, I really didn't pay for it, because if you count the price, like how much it costs for the suspension that's on here, the red top battery and the RPF ones that are on the car, that's probably all I really paid for. I really just paid for a red top, some suspension, and RPF ones. But other than that, yeah. I'm pretty sure the fuel cell will be going up here. That's probably coming soon, but as you can see, it's clean right now. Let's go check the back out. And then around back, we have the engines in the back, if you didn't know. Trunk. Spare tires back here. The spare tire is supposed to be up front, but yeah, we might have like an intercooler or something back here soon. Don't know. And then two, everybody's most importantly, our engine. Not bad. I'll be honest with you guys, it's pretty clean under here. That's another reason why I brought this car. There's not really any rust on the whole car. I mean, obviously, like, you got a little rust on the manifold, but I mean, that's like minor, dude. I mean, like, if you really look at how clean the car is, I mean, there's no oil leaking, no rust. I kind of want to just keep the engine in it, but this thing's so slow. Like, if I'm like, I might take a video of driving this thing in a little bit. Like, if you get down on it, it has like 90 horsepower. Like, maybe on a good day, 90 horsepower. Like, I'm pretty sure if you dump the clutch, it probably won't even spin. So it's that slow. But I don't know, guys. This is the MR2. Not bad. I don't have the JDM taillights like everybody wants. I might pick them up later, but I mean, it's not bad, guys. Pretty clean. I mean, yeah, the seat will come out too. We'll probably put a racing seat in here, but I don't know. I like it. It looks good. Nice and clean. RPF ones. Oh, these RPF ones are mint. The dude said he only had them on the car like for a couple months. But I mean, like, there's like no curbs in these things. Like, the wheels are brand new. So I might take the wheels off or sell them. Because, I mean, realistically, I'm probably going to have like a drag setup on here. But I mean, if you guys think the RPF ones look pretty good, I don't know. So yeah, guys, I didn't want to keep this video too long. I mean, this is really just going over the car, what it is, you know, what the future plans for it. We are putting the Ks in it. I don't know which one yet. We're either going to put the 20 or the 24. We got the transmission down there too. But yeah, so I don't know. I mean, you got whatever you guys think we should do with this thing. It is here to stay for a little while because I do plan on doing everything like custom to this car myself. And two, we're going to do it all in here in the garage. No, like taking it to a shop, you know, getting the shop to do it. Nah, we're doing everything here and that's it. So, all right, guys, any more videos? If you guys want to see this thing cruising around, maybe we might take a cruise in this tomorrow. It's a little overcasty out right now, but I don't know. It's clean. We'll see. All right, guys. Later.